Hello, and thank you for stopping in CAPS Insurance today. Today we want to talk about uninsured motorist coverage. It is an essential component of auto insurance that protects you financially if you're involved in an accident caused by a driver who lacks insurance or whose coverage is insufficient to cover your damage. Here are the key reasons why uninsured motorist coverage is important. Protection against uninsured drivers. A significant number of drivers on the road today are uninsured. They don't have auto insurance despite legal requirements in most states. Uninsured motorist coverage ensures you're not left paying out of pocket for medical expenses, vehicle repairs, or other losses. If an uninsured driver causes an accident, coverage for hit and runs. Uninsured motorists often applies to hit and run accidents, where the at-fault driver flees the scene, can't find him anywhere, don't know who he is. Well, this protects you from bearing the full cost of damages or injuries caused by one of those guys riding down the road that you can't find. Safeguards against underinsured drivers. Some drivers carry only the minimum required insurance, which may not be enough to cover serious injuries or property damage. Underinsured motorist coverage, often included with uninsured motorists, steps in to cover the difference between the fault driver's insurance insufficient amount to cover the difference. Medical expense coverage. Uninsured motorists also kicks in for medical bills for you and your passengers, including hospital visits, surgeries, rehabilitation, ensuring you're not financially burdened by injuries caused by an uninsured or underinsured driver. Property protection. In some policies, uninsured motorist extends to property damage, covering repairs to your vehicle or damaged property caused by an uninsured driver, reducing our financial loss. Peace of mind, knowing you're protected in scenarios where the at-fault driver lacks adequate insurance. This provides reassurance, allowing you to drive with confidence and avoid unexpected financial strain on you and your family. Legal and financial security. Without uninsured motorist coverage, you may need to pursue costly and time-consuming legal action against an uninsured driver who may lack the means to pay for the damage to your vehicle. Uninsured motorist coverage simplifies this process by allowing you to file a claim with your own insurer. That is, if you elect to have uninsured motorist coverage. That's why it's so important to have. In summary, uninsured motorist coverage is a critical safety net that protects you from financial risk posed by uninsured or underinsured driver, ensuring you're not left vulnerable in the event of an accident. It's a proactive way to ensure your financial well-being and maintain peace of mind on the road. Again, I'd like to thank you for stopping into CAPS Insurance, but to sum this up today, this is a very, very, very important piece of insurance. A lot of people will drop this insurance so they don't have to pay a little extra money. Well, this insurance is very, very, very important, and I would recommend it highly to be on every one of your policies that you take out on your automobiles, because when you need it, you'll need it, and you'll need it right now. Again, thank you for stopping by CAPS Insurance. Until next time.